Welcome to this lesson on consensus mechanisms. In a prior lesson, we learned about blockchains and how they're like digital notebooks that store and share information securely. But here's the question. If no one controls the blockchain, how do all the computers or nodes agree on what's true and what to add to the blockchain? For example, how do we make sure that a transaction like Alice sending 1 Bitcoin to Bob, for example, is real and not a fake? Well, the answer lies in something called consensus mechanisms. These are the methods that blockchains use to ensure everyone in the network agrees on the information being added to the blockchain. So, in this lesson, we'll focus on two main types of consensus mechanisms: proof of work and proof of stake. Don't worry, we'll use simple terms and analogies to explain these concepts. By the end, you'll understand how these mechanisms work and why they're just so important. So, the big question is, what is a consensus mechanism? Well, a consensus mechanism is like a set of rules that blockchain networks use to make sure everyone agrees on what's written in the digital notebook or the blockchain. Here's why it's needed. In traditional systems like banks, a central authority verifies transactions. In a blockchain, there's no central authority, so the network has to work together to decide what is valid. So, consensus mechanisms solve problems like preventing fake transactions, ensuring no one spends the same cryptocurrency twice, called double spending, and making the network secure and reliable. Now, let's look at two of the most popular types of consensus mechanisms, and that's proof of work and proof of stake. So, starting with proof of work is the first and most well known consensus mechanism. It's used by Bitcoin and some other blockchains. Here's how it works. Imagine a group of people competing to solve a really hard math puzzle. The first person to solve it gets to write the next page in the blockchain's notebook, and as a result, earns a reward, like blockchain, for example. Everyone else in the group checks their work to make sure it's correct. This process is called mining, and the people solving the puzzles are called miners. So let's use an analogy to make this clear. Think of proof of work like a lottery, but instead of buying tickets, you have to solve a puzzle to get a ticket. The more powerful your computer, the more puzzles you can solve, and the higher your chances of winning the lottery. Once someone wins, they get to write the next page in the notebook, and the process starts again. So let's talk about some of the challenges with proof of work. The first is energy use. Solving these puzzles requires a ton of electricity, which can put a lot of pressure on electricity grids. The second is expensive equipment. Miners need powerful computers to compete effectively. And the third is speed issues. Slower transaction processing can be due to the time taken to solve some of these puzzles. This is why some newer blockchains are switching to other mechanisms like proof of stake. So, proof of stake is a newer and more energy efficient consensus mechanism. It's used by blockchains like Ethereum 2.0 and Cardano. Here's how it works. Instead of solving puzzles, participants lock up some of their cryptocurrency in the network. This process is called staking. Think of staking like depositing money into a savings account. The more money you deposit, the more interest you can earn. The network then randomly chooses one of the stakers to write the next page in the blockchain's notebook and earn rewards. So, if you compare this to the proof of work method, in this situation here, you're putting up cryptocurrency as a staking mechanism. The network picks you if you have the most cryptocurrency staked, and you can put the next transaction into the blockchain. Whereas with proof of work, you have to write a lot of puzzles, respond to a lot of puzzles, and do all these calculations. And if you're the first to solve it, you're the one who gets to add the transaction to the blockchain. So let's use an analogy to make this simpler. Imagine a bank where people deposit money to show they are trustworthy. The bank selects one person at random to record the next transaction. The more money you deposit, the higher your chances of being chosen. If someone tries to cheat, they lose the money they staked, which discourages bad behavior. So you might be wondering, do you earn interest automatically when you stake? Well, the answer is yes. When you stake cryptocurrency, you earn rewards, similar to earning interest, even if you're not selected to record a transaction. So your staked cryptocurrency supports the network, so you're rewarded for contributing to its security. Rewards are then distributed based on how much you stake, so the more you stake, the more you can earn. So, what does recording a transaction entail? Well, recording a transaction means first step validation. So, you verify that the transaction details are accurate, ensuring that the sender has enough funds and hasn't spent them elsewhere. And the second thing is adding it to the blockchain. So, once you've verified the transaction is grouped with others to form a block. And that block is permanently added to the blockchain. This whole process ensures that the blockchain stays accurate, secure, and up to date. So let's compare proof of work and proof of stake side by side. In terms of energy use, proof of work uses a lot of electricity because of the mining process. Proof of stake is much more energy efficient since it doesn't involve mining. In terms of who can participate, proof of work requires expensive hardware, so it's mostly for professional miners. Proof of stake, anyone with cryptocurrency can stake and participate. In terms of speed, proof of work is slower because it involves solving puzzles. Proof of stake, on the other hand, is faster and better for blockchains with tools of transactions. And in terms of security, both are very secure, but achieve it in different ways. Proof of work through computational effort, and proof of stake through financial incentives. So, why are consensus mechanisms important? Well, consensus mechanisms are the backbone of blockchain technology. They ensure that the blockchain remains accurate and secure, no one can tamper with the data or add fake transactions, and that the network runs smoothly without needing a central authority. Without consensus mechanisms, blockchains couldn't function as decentralized systems. So here are some popular blockchains that use proof of work. The first is Bitcoin. The first and most famous blockchain, it's known for its security and reliability. Another one is Litecoin, which is a faster alternative to Bitcoin, which also uses proof of work. And then there's Dogecoin, which started as a joke but became popular for its community driven approach. And you might recognize it since Elon Musk is one of the big proponents of Dogecoin. So these blockchains rely on mining to add new blocks and maintain the network. Now let's look at some popular blockchains that use proof of stake. So Ethereum 2.0 is a great example. So these guys transitioned from proof of work to proof of stake to improve efficiency and scalability. And it's something that we cover in the Ethereum module where we talk about how they've transitioned from Ethereum 1.0 to 2.0. And part of that transition involves moving from proof of work to proof of stake. Another example is Cardano, which is known for its academic approach and energy efficiency. And we dedicated a whole lesson on covering Cardano. And the third example is Polkadot, which focus on interoperability, which allows different blockchains to essentially work together. Because so far, what we've had is blockchains that work by themselves, but with interoperability, you're actually able to have different blockchains communicating with each other. So proof of stake is becoming the standard for newer blockchains due to its lower environmental impact. While consensus mechanisms are essential, both proof of work and proof of stake face challenges that impact their efficiency and their fairness. In terms of proof of work's challenges, the first is high energy consumption. Mining requires immense electricity, which raises environmental concerns. And the second point is around costly equipment. Specialized hardware is expensive, which limits participation to those with significant resources. In terms of proof of stakes challenges, the first is wealth concentration. Those with more cryptocurrency have a greater chance of earning rewards, potentially increasing inequality. And the other point is proof of stake is less tested over time, which raises questions about its long term security. And that refers to the newer technology point. So, efforts are underway to address these issues, such as improving energy efficiency in proof of work and making proof of stake more accessible and inclusive. These advancements aim to strengthen consensus mechanisms as blockchain technology evolves. Consensus mechanisms are constantly evolving, bringing exciting improvements to blockchain technology. The first is around greener blockchains. Many blockchains are moving to energy efficient methods like proof of stake, which significantly reduces electricity use compared to older systems like proof of work. This shift is helping make blockchain more sustainable. The second area is around improved accessibility. Newer mechanisms are designed to be more inclusive, allowing people to participate without expensive hardware or technical expertise. This opens the door for a wider audience to join blockchain networks. The third point is around faster transactions. Upgrades to consensus mechanisms are increasing transaction speeds, making blockchains faster and more practical for real world applications like financial systems and decentralized apps. And then the last point is around expanding use cases. Blockchain is no longer limited to cryptocurrencies. Innovations in consensus systems are supporting exciting areas like decentralized finance and supply chain management, demonstrating blockchain's potential to transform industries. These innovations are making blockchain greener, faster, and more versatile than ever before. In summary, consensus mechanisms are what make blockchains work. Proof of work relies on computational effort and is like a puzzle solving competition. Proof of stake, on the other hand, relies on financial incentives and is like staking money in a bank to earn rewards. So it's like putting money into your savings account in a bank and earning an interest return off of that from the bank. Both systems ensure blockchains are secure, accurate, and decentralized. As blockchain technology evolves, consensus mechanisms will continue to improve, shaping the future of decentralized systems. Thank you for joining this lesson. Understanding consensus mechanisms is key to appreciating the power and potential of blockchain technology, which is really exciting.